الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والتين والزيتون وطور سينين وهذا البلد الأمين لقد خلقنا الإنسان في أحسن تقويم ثم رددناه أسفل سافلين إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات فلهم أجر غير ممنون فما يكذبك بعد بالدين أليس الله بأحكم الحاكمين صدق الله العظيم.
Now I would like to call for Hadith in Arabic by Muhammad Hadith.
And by this secure city, verily we have created man in the best of conditions. Then we reduce him to the lowest of the low, except those who believe and do righteous deeds. There will be a never-ending reward. And then after this, what makes you deny the judgment? Is not Allah the wisest of the wise? Thank you. عن ابن عمر رضي الله عنهما أن رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم قال المسلم أخو المسلم لا يظلمه ولا يسلمه من كان في حاجة أخيه كان الله في حاجته ومن فرج عن مسلم كربة فرج الله عنه بها كربة من كرب يوم القيامة ومن سطر مسلما سطره الله يوم القيامة متفق عليه.
233 Ibn Umar Razi Allah Anhama reported Messenger of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, a Muslim is a brother of another Muslim. He should not oppress, nor should he hand him over to his Satan or to himself, which is inclined to evil. Whoever fulfills the need of his brother, Allah will fulfill his need. Whoever removes the troubles of his brother, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will remove one of his troubles on the day of judgment. And whoever covers up the fault of a Muslim, Allah will cover up his fault on the day of judgment. Al-Bukhari and Muslim.
Effort done by students and by the teachers. So I think this is a wonderful way to celebrate that yes, we can achieve many things. With this, I also want to say to the students who participated that this is just first milestone. Do not leave your investigation and your problem-solving skills leave behind after this. Carry on knowing more about all of this. The purpose of celebrating Seerah Week was very clear, and that was to understand more and know more about Seeratul Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. I'm very sure that because of these activities, we all were able to know more how Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam spent his life and what was his main lesson. And the best thing will be to adopt at least few of them in our lives. And one of them is to be disciplined. One of them is to be respectful. One of them is to be helpful for the other. So if any of these characteristics is part of your life, I can very confidently say that yes, we were successful in having a good and effective Seerah Week activities. So if I may say this thing, can I be or will I be able to see these characteristics in you when you are in school? That's great. And soon after this, we will be launching a program based on the main lessons of the Seeratul Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Program name is REACH, and soon you will see the visuals and some of the key characteristics of this program. And I want all of you to learn and adopt all of those values which we have learned in the Seerah Week. And Mr. Motasem for leading and arranging all of this, and all the faculty of Islam and Quran It's a wonderful effort on their part, and I would like to see more and more of such of these. Before I leave the stage, yes, you can clap for them. That's wonderful. Before I leave the stage, I remember last time when I met all of you, I requested for you to start looking at yourself when you come to the school. Today I can see a lot of improvement. I am very happy, very glad to see some groomed, polished, young leadership standing in front of me. So big round of applause for everybody of you. You take care of yourself now. I can see your uniform is getting better, your ties are in place, your shirts are better, your hairs are combed. This is amazing.